Hey guys, Robin Hart with the Home Loans with Hart team, and summer is officially here. Before the heat and the storms and the high electric bills all arrive, here are 4 quick maintenance tips every homeowner should check. Okay, so tip number 1, change your AC filter. I know it says 90 days, we all forget about it until the AC breaks. So your AC is about to work overtime. A dirty filter can reduce efficiency and increase energy cost and shorten the life of your system, which are expensive. So a new filter is a lot cheaper than a new air conditioner. Tip number 2, test the smoke detectors. Take 5 minutes and test every smoke detector in your home. A lot of people also have water detectors. Replace those batteries. So, especially if they need, or just if you haven't replaced it since you can't remember. And it's one of the easiest ways to protect your home and your family. And tip number 3, check your sprinkler system. That's right. I can't tell you how many times my sprinkler goes off at 5 a.m. and then somebody wants to tell me later on in the day, yeah, you've got a geyser going on in your front yard. Broken heads, leaks, areas not getting water kind of causes a problem also with the foundation. So a small leak today can become a very large water bill tomorrow. It can also create sinkholes in your yard where you trip and fall. Kind of fun. And finally, here's the 4th tip: inspect your roof. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but summer storms can be wild, crazy, and a bit rough. Walk around your home and look for missing shingles, storm damage, loose flashing. Catching these problems early can save thousands of dollars later, and a lot of times you can fix the problem at very low cost or no cost. So, closing, basically, your home is one of your largest investments. And a little preventive maintenance today can help you prevent expensive surprise repairs tomorrow. Stay safe, stay cool, take care of your home this summer. I'm Robin Hart with the Home Loans with Hart team, always looking after you and your biggest asset. Talk to you soon.